Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook OTP not received. To know how to fix Facebook OTP not received, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list here, you should write. Here in this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook. You will go here like this. And when you will see this page, you will go to click force stop. You will go down to click force stop. After that, you will go to click storage. After that, in this page, you will go to click here clear cache. And then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.